When we created Manufacturing Right, we wanted to provide the level of NetSuite that was perfect for the needs of a business, offering 3 separate tiers of functionality that can match exactly what the client needs and nothing they don't. With Manufacturing Right, companies can select from the core tier, the growth tier, and the elite tier, and we'll dive into each level in a little bit more detail. So the first tier of Manufacturing Right is the core tier. So we designed the core tier for some of those smaller manufacturers, allowing a company to get up and running on NetSuite quickly while providing all of that core ERP functionality that is essential to their business. So with the core tier, we would implement key features such as multi-warehouse inventory management across multiple locations, lot numbering or serialization to track specific inventory. From the procurement side, we'd look at purchase orders and item receipts. Onto the manufacturing side, we look at bill of materials and work order management. And finally, on the order management side, we'd focus in on sales orders and item fulfillments. And to bring it all together, we also would implement the general ledger management and financial segmentations to accurately track our dollars. So the next level of Manufacturing Right is the growth tier. And the growth tier is designed for companies who need more expanded functionality as they continue to scale their operations. So these such companies need increased visibility into some of those more multifaceted supply chain and financial processes. So the growth tier, it builds upon the main functions of the core tier with some additional features. And just to highlight a few, we can start with intercompany management. So for some of those companies who might buy and sell or transfer between internal entities. We also could look at landed cost capture, making sure that we're also including any additional costs it is to bring in or receive in our inventory. From the manufacturing side, we can look at work center management and work in process tracking. So again, for those companies who might have a multi-step operation on their production line, we can track the inventory as it makes its way through the entire process, ultimately resulting in more accurate throughput tracking and item costing. From the planning perspective, we can also look at item supply planning to help balance future supply and future demand. And then finally, from the order management side, we look at advanced order allocation to ensure that prioritized orders are fulfilled as soon as possible. The last tier of Manufacturing Right is the elite tier. So we designed the elite tier for those high value manufacturers who are really looking to leverage NetSuite to unlock full control of their operations and financials. So containing some more sophisticated capabilities, the elite tier really builds upon the prior tiers with warehouse automation, advanced scheduling, and management of some of those more complex accounting processes. So as I mentioned, the elite tier will build upon the prior 2 tiers, but will add some functionalities such as a full-fledged warehouse management system, also looking at planning with the MRP or material requirement planning for more advanced balancing of that supply and demand. We'd also look at manufacturing mobile, which allows our shop floor users to track and report production on mobile devices as they continue throughout the production process. Also in the elite tier, we'd have fixed asset management. And then finally, we'd also be able to leverage NetSuite's planning and budgeting module, as well as NetSuite's analytic warehouse, which provides more detailed reporting than native out-of-the-box NetSuite. So we understand that every business is unique, as well as their processes and requirements. So keeping that in mind, we wanted to provide various options for manufacturers that allow them to select the exact level of functionality their business requires, providing everything they need and nothing they don't, all under a singular solution and a powerful ERP.